siya eh. 3 points lang siya in the first half. And that basically was the ball game already.
Yes.
Ang laki na lang na baon na lamang eh. Uy.
Oo. And oh wow.
Pagsak si Tibayan. Sorella.
And that's a big body. That's on the floor that crashed.
Visibly upset Michael Sorella.
You gotta see that. Kasi kanina medyo merong konting ano na eh. Bigaya na sa kabila eh. See this right here.
Why?
Oh yeah.
Not sure what happened prior to that.
No, but before on the other end, meron ng konti. Yeah, they're right hit.
Mendix, please.
He's down. That's a big body guy right there down on the floor.
I wouldn't be surprised if he gets tossed here. Yeah.
Yeah, it had everything.
Foul on number 16, Mike Sorella. Mike Sorella out of the playing court.
Disqualifying foul as expected.
There was that
And
wind up. It was excessive. Ayun yun.
hindi ko alam kung makikita natin yung prior play may nangyari. Because something had to get Michael Sorella upset there.
And the way that I observed kanina, parang a couple of plays back, merong mga, ano na eh, merong girian na nangyayari. So even, I felt that there was even an instance when Marvin Janicio even got into it earlier, previous to this one. And so everyone was kind of surprised na, you know, ito yung nangyari.
Ryan stays down.
Mabigat niyan. Hindi ganyan kadaling patupahin yan si Jonas Tibayan. We talked about this earlier at the start of the game, how a big body guy like him can actually take contact inside. Pero ito,
Mahirap kasi sa ulo yung tinamaan eh.
and from our vantage point, medyo nakatalikod si Sorella, so we didn't see how it really went. But
There was the wind-up.
there was definitely
That's
a wind
actually
up.
a dangerous play if you ask me.
Alright. That was definitely a wind-up, pero that was a hit na
No place for
malakas
that.
talaga. Yeah. You don't want that in a basketball game. Especially, we've been talking about these quality teams. Both these teams have really pursued a lot of really good action from the outside, good execution, very poised.